मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज सब लोगों के साथ ट्रेडर अलर्ट और जो लोग ट्रेड कर रहे हैं इस लोगों को साथ एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आ रहा है और न्यूज़ है ट्रेडर अलर्ट BSE NSE shoot today. Here is the real reason for the surprise midweek break on Dalal Street. BSE and NSE are closed today for Maharashtra state holiday due to municipality election. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो म्यूनिसिपैलिटी हॉलीडे के लिए जो स्टॉक BSE and NSE are closed today. और आप लोगों ने देखा NSE BSE shoot today. Why you don't need to worry about the surprise Jan 15 holiday and you ship FNO expire. The Indian stock market is closed today January 15 and region has little to do with any festivities of the globe news. Instead, it linked to local public holiday in Maharashtra. Since both of the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange operate out of Mumbai, any statewide holiday in Maharashtra directly impact market operation. January 15 has been declared a public holiday in the state due to municipal corporation election across several cities including Mumbai. As a result, trading across key segment has been suspended for the day. What exactly is closed today? Both BSE and NSE have confirmed that there will be no trading today in the equity market and equity derivatives segment. The currency market is also shut. In addition, the BSE has clarified that trading is commodity derivatives and the electronics gold receipt will remain closed during the day. However, commodity derivatives trading is expected to resume in the evening session as per normal practice. These announcements came through revised circular issues earlier this week. Internally, January 15 was only marked as a statement holiday, which unusually means trade can happen but clearing in banking operation and push. However, since most banks are closed today due to the state holiday, the actions upgraded it to full trading holiday. What happened to contracts expiring today? There is also an important update for the derivatives trader. Contracts that were originally scheduled to expire on January 15, 2026 will not expire a day earlier on January 14, 2026. The exchange has said that the change will be reflected in their official contracts filed to avoid confusion among market participants. Was the holiday part of the original calendar? This closure was not part of the original stock market holiday released in the December. It was the 8th letter, which is the many investors were caught off guard. Such changes are usually made when electronics of major public events disrupts and banking and settlement and systems.